Who likes watermelon seeds? Well, probably no one. We all take them out of our delicious, crispy watermelon slice. And for those who eat them, you probably do not know that watermelon seeds benefit digestion, but they leave the body untouched, meaning their usefulness remains practically untouched. To get the maximum of their benefits, boil, crush or bake the seeds. They are rich in fiber that provides normal digestion and fights intestinal parasites. Watermelon seeds are great for patients that struggle with jaundice, guided diseases, and inflammation. Watermelon seeds contain citrulline, an antioxidant that is essential in the treatment of arteriosclerosis, hypertension, and angina pectoris. American scientists from the early 20th century believed that watermelon seeds are great for the urinary tract and kidneys. They also recommended drinking tea from fresh seeds, because it is an excellent diuretic and also aids in eliminating stones and sand from both kidneys and urinary tract. Health experts say that watermelon seeds strengthen heart and muscle structure, they improve memory, concentration, and skin elasticity. Make tea or consume the seeds as a snack. These seeds are also great for diabetics. You can use them to treat diabetes type 2. Men can also use their benefits to boost their libido and potency. Watermelon seeds are rich in magnesium, vitamins A, B, C, iron, antioxidants, manganese, calcium, polyunsaturated, and monosaturated fat. Watermelon seed tea. Crush 4 tablespoons of fresh watermelon seeds. Stir them into 2 liters of water and boil for 15 minutes. Drink your tea for 2 days and take a break on day 3. For optimal results, repeat the procedure for a few weeks.